Well, you are indeed an economist, so help people understand this, because this isn't inflation, as I understand it, that's driven purely by people having so much money slushing around that they are recklessly purchasing anything they can get their mitts on. It's more about restrictions in supply chains, etc., which has driven up the prices. So why are people getting hammered even further by a measure which, quite frankly, seems deeply ineffective?
Well, what the Bank of England will tell you is that the way that they're going about trying to control inflation is by raising interest rates, which makes it more expensive for you to borrow, whether you're a household or whether you're a business, and therefore you demand less. So that basically means they want to see growth slow down. And that makes sense. That's how you bring inflation down, except it is painful, just like you're suggesting. And it takes quite some time for that to be delivered through the economy. And in the meantime, of course, as we know, a lot of the pressures have been external: energy prices, food prices. However, there are some positive things perhaps you can look at for the future, which would suggest that perhaps some things will come their way in any case. So in other words, we will see further improvement in the rate of inflation, because the high energy prices that we saw last year are not happening now. They've come down very significantly, hence why the inflation rate has come down. Food prices, which are going up now in the shops, 19.1% year on year. And for some people, of course, who buy particular things, more than that. They've been going down internationally for the last year. So they've gone down by about 19.7% year on year. So they should eventually be reflected in lower prices. So the Bank of England may get its wish, and it's forecasting that it will at some point, but it may take a little bit longer for them to get there. Now, whether the increase in in interest rates that we're going to be seeing again probably will make any real difference to that path is questionable.